I will use Nigeria first as
Okay.
a sort of, pardon my big word, microcosm of what it could look like in Africa. So if you look at Nigeria, for example, most of our people are low-income earners in the informal sector. Uh, our people have a deeper relationship with their value chains than with any financial institution in some big city. It's just what it is. Like a farmer is closer to the guy that buys his produce than he is to the microfinance bank in the next local government, for example. Now, if you then consider this, it means that if financial services are important to that farmer, right, then it makes much more sense for the guy who buys his produce to be the one discussing with him about input financing, discussing with him about financing his children's school fees. It just makes much more sense. I see this guy or woman twice a week. I need to travel to go to the microfinance bank to discuss money. So I'd rather just, so it means that there needs to be some kind of infrastructure or collaborative effort in place that makes it possible for that value chain, that next node in the value chain that knows the farmer better, to offer in financial services. If that is going to happen, that next node in the value chain is so small from the issues around liquidity management, capital, etc., operations, even regulatory, to start talking about financial services. That's way beyond what they are cut out to do. Open finance infrastructure and the collaborative effort around it makes it possible for such a, once again, pardon my node in this value chain, to be able to buy financial services from a larger institution, rebundle it for what his own farmer wants, and offer it to that farmer. Now, concepts like open finance, open banking, embedded finance, etc., are all just expressions of this same belief. Now, once again, back to how I started. If you look at Nigeria, with 70% plus of adults in the informal sector, it means that that's 70%, not even counting those in the formal sector that are not getting real financial services. Let's just leave those ones. But the 70% plus of adults in the informal sector who are economically active are getting way below what they should be getting in the form of financial services. Now, open finance in general then opens up the possibility of expanding that coverage. Now, if you extrapolate away from Nigeria, then that means that across Africa, these issues are the same. People in trade, in agriculture, in transportation are better served when they are offered financial services by non-banks who require open APIs, open regulation, open standards, etc., to be able to distribute those services to them.